Kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ na kĩrĩa kĩrarehete atumia na atongoria kuma gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika niho mararungire ciĩgiĩ mĩtaratara mĩega ya gũkũria wonjoria wa mabũrũri maya kũgerera icoka cia atumia a Kenya makĩũrio kũhĩmbĩria biashara ona nja ya mĩhaka ya bũrũri.
Waweze kuchukua hiyo opportunity ya Africa Free Trade Continental Area ambayo inakubalisha wa Afrika kuingia katika nchi moja na ingine bila kulipa bila malipo, na hiyo inamaanisha ya kwamba biashara zetu zinaweza kukua kubwa zaidi ya ile soko ya nchi yako. Unaweza anza kwanza kuingia katika trade na Uganda na Tanzania hata hadi Nigeria na Ghana.
Na kuona mĩtambo ya kĩrĩu nĩ garũrĩte mĩrutĩre na mĩramĩre ya biashara kũhĩmbĩria mĩtambo ya AI na nenda cia ũkinyanĩria kwarĩria mabata ma ũkũria arĩ gwetetwo arĩ ikinya rĩmwe arĩa kwaramia biashara nini cia Kenya.
We are now in an AI world, and the AI is reality. I wouldn't call it artificial intelligence, I would call it augmented intelligence, because it helps you become 10 times faster than what you do. In women entrepreneurship and women enterprises, it applies to men also. It's not just women, but I think when women stop themselves and say we are not able, we're not capable, AI will give you all the capabilities. You will get all your learnings, your consultancy from AI. You can do a lot more.
Kũringana na arũgamĩrĩri a kĩgomano gĩkĩ, muoroto mũnene nĩ kũrehe atumia a gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika hamwe gũcenjania meciria na gũtuĩka itugĩ cia mabũrũri mao.
It's really important to bridge the gap for women. So that women can trade across borders, and our theme has been Unstoppable Women Going Beyond Borders. When we bring women together, they're able to get exposure, they're able to connect with new women, new buyers, new sellers, they're able to learn from other women who are doing good business in other countries and look for opportunities to trade and do business with each other.
Aduine Irathĩro TV kuma gũkũ Nairobi, niĩ njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kamũkwa.